A truck was moving fast on the road ahead looked clear, and the driver didn't slow down. In the distance, a traffic signal had already turned red. But the truck kept going at the same speed. Traffic around seemed normal, and no one expected danger. The truck was getting closer to the intersection. Still, there was no sign of slowing down. Within seconds, the situation began to change. The signal for the right side turned green. Vehicles on that side started to move forward. One car entered the intersection, following the green light. The driver believed it was safe to go, but the truck was still rushing toward the signal. The distance between them closed rapidly. There was almost no time to react. In a split second, a powerful collision occurred. The truck slammed into the car with full force. Both vehicles were thrown off balance. It was a violent crash at the intersection. All because one red light was ignored.